Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Subway Surfers. This endless runner game challenges you to escape the grumpy inspector and his dog. Your primary objective is to run as far as you can, collecting as many coins as possible, all while dodging a variety of obstacles. It's a fast-paced adventure where quick reflexes are absolutely key to setting new high scores and unlocking exciting content. Mastering movement is crucial. You'll constantly swipe left, right, up, and down to dodge trains, barriers, and other hazards. Power-ups are your best friends. The hoverboard gives you a 30-second temporary shield, saving you from one crash. The jetpack lets you fly above the tracks for 10 seconds, collecting coins safely. And the coin magnet automatically pulls in all nearby coins for 10 seconds, boosting your score significantly. To achieve high scores, focus on collecting coins and keys. Coins are essential for upgrading your power-ups, making them last longer and work better. Keys allow you to revive your character after a crash, extending your run, or to open mystery boxes for valuable items. Don't forget to complete daily challenges and weekly hunts. These are fantastic ways to earn extra coins and special rewards, helping you progress faster. For advanced play, consider your character and board choices. Some offer unique abilities. Mastering quick lane changes and precise jumps is vital for navigating the game's increasingly complex obstacle patterns. Regular practice will significantly improve your reaction time and ability to anticipate challenges. Also, focus on completing missions to increase your score multiplier. A higher multiplier means your points accumulate much faster, leading to truly impressive high scores.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.